In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter business assets and depreciation in TurboTax. If you bought equipment, tools, or other qualifying property for your business this year, getting those details into TurboTax correctly helps you take the deductions you're entitled to. We'll walk through choosing the right TurboTax product for your situation, where to go inside your return, and exactly what information to enter so TurboTax can generate the required IRS forms for you. First, make sure you're using the correct TurboTax version for your business structure. TurboTax Business is a Windows-only desktop program designed for entities like corporations, partnerships, and multi-member LLCs. It's not available in the online version. If you're a sole proprietor filing a Schedule C, TurboTax Self-Employed is available online and is the right fit. Picking the correct product up front ensures you see the right questions and deductions for your business type. Next, navigate to your business income and expenses. In TurboTax, open your return and go to the section that covers your business activity. If you're a Schedule C filer, that's the self-employment section. Inside that area, look for the category labeled Assets, Depreciation, or sometimes Large Purchases. The label can vary slightly, but they all take you to the same place, the part of the interview where you enter information about items you'll depreciate or expense. Now, enter the details for your asset. TurboTax will guide you step by step. You'll need the cost of the item, the date it was placed in service, ADISA, and the percentage of business use. Placed in service means the date the asset was ready and available for use in your business, not necessarily the purchase date. For business use percentage, think about how much of its total use is for your business versus personal. If it's exclusively for business, that's typically 100%. If it's mixed use, be honest and reasonable with your estimate and keep documentation. As you enter each asset, TurboTax calculates the appropriate deduction based on your inputs and builds the depreciation schedule. The IRS requires Form 4562, Depreciation and Amortization, to claim these deductions. You don't have to complete Form 4562 by hand. TurboTax will generate it automatically from the information you provide. A few tips before you wrap up. If you don't immediately see the assets or depreciation category, use the search feature inside TurboTax to jump there. Names of menu items can vary slightly between online and desktop versions. And if you're using TurboTax Business for an entity return, you'll find a similar assets or depreciation section within that business return. Review your entries, save your work, and keep your purchase records with your tax files. That's it. Your assets and depreciation are now correctly set up in TurboTax.